Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a layered video effects in CapCut with the ink in the water text overlay. So here I'm going to just start. So you need to use a green screen background like this, then just write your text and select your favorite font. Okay, now go to style and change the text color into the one you like. So for example, I want to use this pink color right here. Click on the check icon, then just export the project. Okay, now go back and replace the green screen with a black screen background from the stock videos. Okay, so now copy the text and then go to style and click on effect, click on basic, and now select the one with the outline only, this one. Click on a check icon and delete the previous text. So it will go like this. Drag the text to the top and now export the video again. Okay, now click on done, start a new project and add the ink video, so the ink overlay, this one, add it on the main track. And now go to overlay and add the green screen text video, this one. Click on add. Now fit the size. I'm going to just okay, after that click on the overlay, go to cutout and now click on chroma key and delete the green screen color. Okay, click on a check icon. Now copy the main clip and add it as overlay. Okay, put it at the bottom like this. And now click on it, go to cutout and remove the background. Okay, so now the background has been removed, and now click on the overlay again, add the black screen text video as overlay, and now go to blend, then select filter. I'm going to fit the size like this. And now you are done. So the text will go like this. The layer text will go like this. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye.